It seems like crypto falls lower and lower as each week passes by in 2022. At this point, crypto has been in its lowest point all year. These couple of past weeks, we've seen crypto at its all-time low of just under $19,000 for the year. Interest rates for homes are above 6%, and the consumer price index is up to 8.6% at the end of May. With there being absolutely no light at the end of the tunnel, consumers start panic selling just to avoid further losses. But not to worry, because in this video, I'm going to go over everything that's happening with crypto right now and Bitcoin and what you should expect for the upcoming years. By the way guys, my name's Thiago, let's get into this video. Now, Bitcoin is definitely struggling and having a hard time holding its level at the $20,000 mark. So what does this mean exactly? Well, to understand this, we have to look at the bigger picture of things. Just how I explained before, the world is kind of going through a crisis at this time, and because of this, it's directly and indirectly having an effect on cryptocurrency. Due to the market being down right now, normal people are losing money left and right. Hedge fund owners and whales, huge investors, are really thinking about where they're allocating their capital. And not only this, but normal people don't have as much money as they once did to invest into speculative assets. People don't want to hedge the money that they already have into speculative assets. No, they want to take that money and save it and guard it with their lives. Another huge factor is that last month, Terra Luna had a huge collapse which sent scares throughout the whole crypto market. This set out a wave of people panic selling their crypto, which ultimately started to tank the market. So the more people that sell Bitcoin, the less it's worth, because Bitcoin is actually pegged to something that we know as desirability. The less desire there is and the more supply of Bitcoin that there is, the less that it's worth. Bitcoin has no intrinsic value at all. It's not pegged to anything physical and it's not pegged to a location. This is the scary part because nothing stops more people from selling Bitcoin and tanking it down to a value of $10,000, which I don't think is going to happen soon, but it could ultimately happen. Also, another factor that's frustrating is Binance. They paused the withdrawing of Bitcoin for a couple of hours, and of course they had to have an excuse to go along with this. Celsius also followed suit and they performed the same stunt, and then they turned around and blamed the market for it. Coinbase then decided to turn around and they announced that they were going to lay off 18% of their employees. All this bad news just continued to spook investors, and then they turned around and started to sell even more of their crypto. Now, if you look at some celebrities and noteworthy figures, they'll still tell you that Bitcoin will continue to go up. Elon Musk tweeted that his company had invested over $1 billion in Bitcoin just last year alone. You'll also hear people in the crypto community saying that now is actually a perfect time to go in and buy when things are low. So what's my opinion on all of this? I'm saying this with a breath of caution, by the way, guys. Now, I think because of the market and the economic factors that are happening, Bitcoin will still contend to trend downwards over the next couple of months before it finally begins to rally. Now, if any other crazy news begins to bloom on cryptocurrency, we could see a steep decline soon. So because of this, I wouldn't put all of my eggs in a basket, and I wouldn't go heavy into crypto. I would continue to dollar cost average, but at a lower rate than I was before. It's probably best to invest in the stock market at this point. Unless you have disposable income, which you're willing to lose everything, then go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency. I personally don't think that this will happen to Bitcoin, and I do believe that it will go up in the future, but the big question is, when is that future going to be? Also remember that this is not financial advice, guys. I'm just an entertainer here, giving you information and telling you what I do and how I handle finances. Also remember to stay clear of Binance. Instead, invest with crypto.com, which I use, and I will link a video here on the screen going over everything you must know about the platform if you do want to invest in cryptocurrency. I'll also drop a link down below where if you use my link, you can earn up to $25 when you open an account. Remember, the best way to learn is always by doing your own homework, doing your research, and taking all the information you find online with a grain of salt. But now I want to know, what do you guys think about this situation? Are you guys bullish? Are you bearish? Are you investing heavy or are you jumping ship? I want to know, guys. Also guys, let me know if you like this informative type of video. If I get enough interest, I'll make more of these videos. Also, if you do find value in this video guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and every time I make a new video, you guys will be the first ones to know. By the way guys, I made an incredible video going over everything you must know about NFTs, which I will go ahead and link here on the screen. But hey guys, it's been great. Till next time.